Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is an historic day for the county of Buncombe, and we're all delighted to be here for this groundbreaking ceremony. The first time that I truly recall the need for such a facility was when I came to the campus one Monday morning and guardrails were missing. A fire truck had backed into a street lamp that had knocked down another street lamp and another street lamp. And over the course of time, we were actually tearing up lots of pavement on the AB Tech campus as we were training our law enforcement officers and providing some training opportunities for firefighters.
We're able to pull the right people together in the room and to start formulating plans and getting traction, if you will, to work forward. And I want you to know, if you're a member of a volunteer fire department, paid department in our community, you may not be aware of this, but early on during that planning process, those departments made a decision to help support this process. We all contributed some funds to move the process along. We were able to get the services of Jim Stumbo and Stuart Cooper and Newell initially to help us with the design. And then after we had our plans on paper, we felt like that was the time then to carry it forward.
Once we had established that this is where we wanted this facility, the commissioners didn't hesitate. They stepped up to the plate, they went with it, and then when it came time to, when Jim Stumbo was ready to initiate the grading part of it, they stepped up to the plate, signed the contract, and here we are today. And you can see, and any of you that were ever down on this road, that if you, not because you may have been in the prison over here, but if you went over there and looked at it, you know, this was all a wooded area. When I was growing up, this was all a wooded area. And it's hard even for me to comprehend how large this site is once you get it cleared.
We got to take care of public safety. But it has two levels to it, and we forget about the second level. The first level is taking care of our people, our residents, folks when they have a heart attack, when they are a victim of crime, when they have an emergency, when we flood, when we snow, when we have blizzards. You folks that are here today are all on the front line, and you're the second part of public safety that we forget about, and that's making sure you have both the tools and the experience and knowledge and training to do your job. You're willing to do it. You just need our help to have facilities to do that. And frankly, we've kind of let you down. But I tell you, these commissioners and the ones brought immediately before us got it. And we're going to take care of you and the public. The other part of it that I really like is the educational part. It's the education for the public safety officials. It's having a place to do your cars, to do your fire training, to do your simulations, but it's also a place to teach young people how to be public safety officers. Amen. And we're going to do all that. We cannot expect you to do the excellent work you do unless we give you excellent facilities to train on and the right equipment to do your job.
Public safety has to be job one for what local governments are in charge of, and it's a privilege to kind of, there's a lot of visionaries out here that have kind of put a vision out there as well as kind of promoted the vision for a long time. So it's a pleasure to be part of the body that was able to allocate the money and say yes, but we really appreciate the folks that have really thought through all this and laid it out for us.
As a representative of the commission, of the management of Buncombe County, and of the staff, I want you to know that one of the things that we really try to stress is delivering core services to the citizens of Buncombe County, and we think we do that in a very good, effective way. Public education, health and human services, and public safety. And what we are about here today is a great step in the direction of delivering that public safety to the citizens of Buncombe County.
I sit here and I think back in retrospect of how far we've come. And I want to personally thank Wanda Green,
John Creighton, and all my commissioners for having the fortitude and the foresight to set out to get this project built. It truly is going to make us safer and better at what we do so we can better serve the citizens of this county.
This is something, looking at it from the town of Woodfin, it's going to be a crown jewel for us, and it's something that Woodfin's going to be proud of as far as the town is concerned. And any way we can assist with this, all you got to do is give us a call. We're ready, we're anxious, just like you are, and hopefully it's not going to be long till we're going to be having our first classes here and our first training session.
It took guts to commit to this project, the cost of the project. But here we are today, and it's just really a great day. And I will tell you from AB Tech's perspective that we are committed to training and emergency services. We're committed to it, and this is going to be the tool we need to become the most elite training facility, in my opinion, in the state, if not in the Southeast.
Standing before you today, not only as insurance commissioner and state fire marshal, but as a statewide elected official, I want to congratulate everybody here standing. On behalf of 9 million citizens of this great state, this is the type of leadership and fortitude that we need everywhere. And it just gives me goosebumps to hear all the things that led to this great occasion. And of course, great things take time. And of course, it took some time to get us to this point. But it is an honor to be here for this groundbreaking for the Buncombe County Public Safety Training Facility. Not only is it an honor to be here, it is a testament to the good work and the wisdom and the leadership of the Buncombe County Board of County Commissioners, those current and those preceding.
Remember that there's been a 4.5-year process from that initial meeting in Commissioner Bailey's office of a lot of people putting in a lot of hours throughout the years. Once again, commissioners, thank you so much. We certainly appreciate everything.
You know, way too many years we've sent people to other counties and other community colleges to get training that we could need to do here in Buncombe County. Not anymore. Okay, that day has finally come. Not anymore. Okay. Back in 1980, 1990, Kevin Costner was starting a movie, Field of Dreams. This is our Field of Dreams right here. Okay. And he coined the phrase, if you build it, they will come. I have 2 classes going on right now through the college at Swannano. They're waiting to come. They are. They will come. And once again, on behalf of the Chiefs Association and all the men and women who serve this county, thank you for building the best for the best.
Folks, 10 years ago, before 9/11, this would have been a golf course. 2 young men had given their life savings, had raised $4 million in venture capital money. And when 9/11 happened, and those wonderful emergency workers and police and firemen lost their lives when those towers went down, this could be a tribute to them. I hope. It's y'all do too much. But we're happy this thing's here, and we look forward to its completion.